Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to close your GMC Acadia hood. First, always make sure that your hands and any tools are completely clear of the engine bay. Safety is paramount. Gently lower the hood until it is approximately 8 to 12 inches above the latch. This initial controlled descent helps ensure everything aligns correctly for a smooth and secure closure. It prevents any accidental damage or misalignment. Now for the crucial step, the drop. From that height of 8 to 12 inches, simply release the hood. Let gravity do the work for you. It should fall with enough force to engage the latch securely. Resist the urge to push down on the hood, as this can actually cause dents or damage to the hood surface. A clean, even drop is key for a perfect close. After the drop, it's essential to confirm that the hood is fully latched and secure. Gently try to lift the front edge of the hood. It should feel firmly in place, with very little movement, perhaps no more than 1/4 of an inch. If it lifts significantly, it means the latch didn't engage properly, and you'll need to repeat the closing process. This check ensures your safety on the road. If your hood doesn't latch on the first try, don't worry. First, check for any obstructions around the latch mechanism. Sometimes a small item can prevent it from closing. Also, consider lubricating the latch periodically with a silicone spray to keep it operating smoothly. Always try to close your hood on a level surface for the most consistent and reliable results. You'll be a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.